I tried, man. This is the Milsurp Maxing 25 round magazine for 98 pattern Mausers. It's on my Turkish M38, which I would prefer to have this for a carbine or a short rifle than this long beast of a gun. But it is pretty awesome. It's made with a MG13 magazine, which is a machine gun magazine, basically welded onto his own base plate style for a 98 pattern Mauser. So here is the floor plate that he used, and that squareness is causing it to hit the wood on either side here. Now, it would be really easy to file away that wood, but I want to keep this rifle in as much original condition as possible. So, I don't really want to file away the wood, I'd rather file away the magazine. Let me get my Dremel out, and then we'll take a look at it. Okay, I'm just going to start with a Sharpie, dot on the magazine to let me know where I need to remove a material. As usual with this kind of project, I'm just going to take off small amounts at a time. I'm sorry, my camera died while I was in the middle of that, but you really didn't miss much. All I did was take off little bits at a time until I had enough that I wasn't really contacting the wood at all. If it's just kind of nudging up against it, I'm not really too worried about that. This stock isn't very nice. But now we have, put that in there. Like that. And we're good to go. So it replaces the base plate on your magazine and the spring and follower with its own spring and follower. So now you have 25 rounds in your 98 pattern Mauser. While I'm talking, I'm going to try and load it. Loading it is a little bit of a hassle. This does kind of remind me of those 1903s that had, I think, 25 round magazines, although they might have been 20, that they put in planes, oh my gosh, put in planes during World War I. Although technically it does load with stripper clips, I found it to be somewhat unreliable when you're trying to load it. Usually they don't just strip right in. However, in my experience so far, it has fed reliably, which I think is the fun part. Now, there are, other than the loading, a few downsides to this. Number one, it is a little bit harder to close those bolts on those first rounds, but as I got to the last 10, it was perfectly fine, so I guess that's not really that big of a deal. And number two, you're going to go through a lot more ammo. Because it is quite fun. However, I noticed personally, not that 8mm Mauser has too much recoil, but I found that it did tame the recoil a little bit, just having so much weight. So, are there any practical uses for something like this? In 2026, probably not. 1926, maybe. However, I guess I could see, in some places, it is hard to get additional guns, but any guns you already own are yours. So if I was in a situation where this was the one gun I had for, every possible situation, and I could give it a 25 round magazine, that might be useful. If I was stuck in that situation, I guess this would be helpful, but in general, I think this is more of a range toy, and I think he's planning on selling these for about, I can't say the name of the website, so Funbroker. I think that if you want to buy some fun on Funbroker, this is a really fun thing to add to your rifle. And another nice thing about this is that once you modify it, it should fit on every rifle. I really just needed to carve away some of the material so that it wouldn't be rubbing on the wood on the bottom of the magazine. One, that would help it fit a little bit nicer and come on and off easier, and two, it would just keep my rifle in as close to original shape as possible. I didn't need to modify the rifle at all for this to work, I just needed to modify the magazine a little bit. So if you want to go back and forth between this and your 5-round magazine for that classic look, it's really easy, it's just the one plunger on the bottom. Let me do a Mozambique on my little groundhog down there. Beep! I hope I got him in the head. I'm 8mm Mauser Man, and I have a Mauser that holds 25 rounds. I guess 26, but I lived on. Keep the change, you filthy animal. Oh, got a tick. Hang on. Never mind, it was an ant. We're good. Okay.